Good evening, folks. This is Murray coming to you from Ol'Red's garage. I worked today continuing to install the carpet in Ol'Red. I've decided to start in the center of the cab at the rear, and I have these brackets to deal with. I have these bolts to deal with. So here's how I approach it. I got me a soldering iron, and I've seen this trick done before. So these are the seat belt bolts to hold the two seat belts on. And so I poked the holes in it, removed the bolts, and then reinstalled the bolts and the seat belts. These seat belts are the old ones. I will be replacing these at some point. But again, I'm in a quandary of which seat belts to order in terms of color. So I've got to get that straightened out. But I install them just to keep the carpet in place. And this is going to do a really good job of that. So I tightened those seatbelt bolts and then moved on to deal with the bracket that the gas tank sits on. So I need to remove that carpet so that the gas tank will sit in the slot. And this soldering iron does a great job of that. So I just outlined the bracket and removed that piece of the carpet. Some of you are probably wondering what that gray line is in the middle of the screen. That's my iPhone cord. Unfortunately, I didn't see that when I set the iPhone up for this video, so I apologize for that. So I continued on with that method, and I punched holes for the seat brackets. You'll see the 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts there, and I got those punched. Those bolts will come out, the seat will sit on, and then all I have to do is screw the seat down to the floor bed. So yeah, here they are. Got the gas line coming up through the carpet as well. It's working out great. And so I'll move on now to the next episode. I will install the gas tank. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Ol'Red Garage channel. Good day.